We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with a Brother Intellifax 2840. So, first thing first, always check your tray and see if you can see it right here. If you can, just go ahead and gently pull it out. Don't yank it or rip it. If you yank or rip the pieces of paper, it could cause the little pieces to be ripped off inside of there and result causing more jams, or you could damage a sensor and you would need to replace that. So if you don't see it there, then most likely it'll be right here in the back. It might be curved up to go out the printer, but just go ahead, take it out, make it like kind of straight so you can pull it out. Yet again, you want to gently pull it out. You don't want to yank it because you don't want to rip any paper off or damage a sensor. Another place it could be is right underneath here. So if you see it here, just try to pull it out as much as you can. If you guys are seeing a lot of paper jams, it might be time to put your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.